Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to Kit Foods, a channel of easy recipes, African traditional recipes, modern recipes, easy recipes, and travel events. If you happen to come across this channel, please consider subscribing and press on to the notification bell as well. For the returning viewers, thank you for your support. Thank you for always tuning in. Otherwise, guys, today I'm back with these recipes. I want to make some special chicken. When I talk of special chicken, I'm going to do some chicken drumstick and I'm going to bake it in style. So please keep tuned to Kit Food. These are the drumsticks that I have here that I'm going to do. What is missing in here is salt. So the ingredients I'm going to use, I have black pepper and paprika, but I'm going to use mayonnaise and mustard in baking it, so keep tuned. So you look at this bone here, you make sure you cut through at the edge to open it up. So I'll do that to all of them. Look at my chicken now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to marinate them with salt and black pepper first and leave them out for about 10 to 15 minutes. I did not introduce the cooking cream. I have cooking cream here and I'm going to make it sour. I'm going to make it sour by adding lemon juice. add some to make it a little bit more creamy. I'll give it a good mix. Kindly watch this. You can see. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to bake them. Stay tuned. I'll put in my chicken. I'll dip them in there and put here. First, I'm supposed to add some oil in my chicken and place it there. So this chicken is gonna be delicious, super delicious. So guys, this is creamy baked chicken drumstick. Just see how juicy, how creamy my chicken is gonna be. So guys, look at my creamy baked drumstick. They've come out nicely, so nicely. You can even look at the stew, so creamy. So you can see it's so nice. So guys, please, thank you for watching this video. Please try it out and enjoy it. Thank you so much, and let's meet in another video. Bye bye. Welcome.